Hello and welcome to Technology for Blind YouTube channel. I am back with another video. This is about upgrading Windows 10. So now I'm gonna be upgrading to Windows 10 1903 from Windows 10 1809. Okay, so yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So I have downloaded the Windows 10 update from official Microsoft website. Now I have done a tutorial about that. You can visit my YouTube channel and watch that if you aren't aware of this. So first off, to upgrade, simply locate the Windows 10 ISO and press application key and press mount. Then you will be landed on this DVD drive G. If you didn't get that, simply go to this PC and DVD drive G ISO. Simply press enter and end key, and you will be find the setup.exe file. Press enter and allow the permissions.
Desktop list. This PC 108. This PC 108.
Now it will.
Windows type DVD right DVD desktop.
It is loading.
Windows 10 setup dialog. Next button Alt plus N.
Now let me decrease the
Grade 35. Dialog install Windows 10. Windows setup will go online to get updates, drivers, and optional features. These updates will help the installation go smoothly and can include important fixes, updated device drivers, and additional files which are not on the installation media. Change how Windows setup downloads updates button. Pressed unavailable. Download updates, drivers, and optional features. Recommended. Radio button checked.
Now I don't want to download updates right now.
Not right now. Radio button checked.
Not right
I
now.
want to help make the installation of Windows better. Checkbox checked. Alt plus I.
Let's leave it as default. If you want, you can uncheck it.
Privacy statement plus support button. Legal button. Next button Alt plus N. Pressed unavailable. Dialog. Check in your PC. Check in your PC.
Checking your PC.
Check in your PC. We're getting a few things ready. We're getting a few.
This is completely accessible, guys, so do not worry about any
license terms. Dialog applicable notices and license terms. Please read this so you know what you're agreeing to. Microsoft software license terms edit read only multi-line. Last updated.
Obviously, you have to
Support button. Legal button. Decline button. Alt. Accept button. Alt.
press the accept button.
Pressed unavailable. Dialog. Choose what to keep. Choose what to keep. Making sure you're ready to install. Please wait.
Straightforward. Come on, come on. Let's see.
Support button. Legal button. Support button. Legal button. Making sure you're ready to install. This may take a few minutes. Please wait.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Dialog ready to install. You won't be able to use your PC while Windows installs. Save and close your files before you begin. To recap, you've chosen to check install Windows 10 Pro. Check keep personal files and apps. Change what to keep button.
It is okay. Now I want to keep my all personal files apps. That's why I'm upgrading. Okay, so
Support button. Legal button. Back button. Alt plus install button. Alt plus I.
install.
Windows 10 setup dialog. Installing Windows 10. Your PC will restart several times. This might take a while. 0% complete. Cancel
Yeah.
button. Alt plus C.
Now after this process, it will restart and you will be landed on the desktop screen after the installation process completes. Okay, so let's see.
Windows 10 setup dialog. Installing Windows 10. Your PC will restart several times. This might take a while.
Now this window has been full screened, and on the top left corner there are some controls like
Windows 10 setup. Installing
Yes,
Windows 10. Your
cancel
PC will
button.
restart several times. Cancel.
cancel.
Windows 10 setup 7. Windows 10 setup install. Your PC will Windows 10 setup installing Windows. Your PC will Windows 10 setup installing Windows 10. Your PC will restart several times. This might take a while. 18% complete.
18%. Okay, so I'll be back. So guys, my system has been restarted. So let's see what's going on. Yeah, now it will load for some time, and after most probably we'll be landed on the desktop screen. So let's see what's going on. Okay, now we have got a screen. I cannot read this because usually I can't read text. Okay, so let's see. Okay guys, now the system has been restarted, and it has been restarted for 3 more times. Okay, so now I'm in the login screen. I have to enter my password. Let's see now. I'm using HDMI as my output, but it is not working. So let's press enter. I have entered my password. So it took about 40 minutes to completely finish up the settings. Now it is loading. It says something, I think we are setting up your system, something, but it's more time consuming guys. It restarted 3-4 times, and actually it took about 30-40 minutes in time to complete the whole setup. But straightforward, very nice, which is a great point, because if we clean install the system, we would have done all of the reinstallations of programs and all of the file copying, setting up our system as we want, etc. Now when it comes to upgradation of this Windows 10, the nice thing about this is it automatically upgrades to the latest version, but without losing any files, folders, settings, etc. So which is very nice. Yeah, so still loading. Let's see what's going on. Still loading. Now after this loading process, most probably we will be landed on the desktop screen. Okay, now I think loading process completes. We are on the desktop. Okay, let's switch to my HDMI. Yes, okay, completed. Yes, 3D vision photo viewer. It is a new. Let's enter. Isn't it? Okay, which means a new software has been added to the system. So let's check the version of the Windows. Now you have to type on the run box WINVER. Press enter. Okay, let's start. Let's see what's. apps are being added. Yeah. Okay, so we have successfully updated the Windows 10 to the latest version without losing our files, which is a great point. So yes, I'm gonna end the video now. If you have any questions, comments, thoughts or ideas, it would be so much appreciated if you could add a comment by explaining all of your thoughts. Okay, so yes, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Signing out as usual, Mohomed Rashad.